If you would like to see how I made this chicken avocado salad, please stay tuned. Okay, let's get things started. First of all, we're going to start off with our hot skillet with some olive oil. I am roasting some frozen bird's eye corn. I will be roasting that. Okay, now that our corn is ready, it's time to mix this salad together. I will be adding in my chicken. I had already pre-cooked it. I will be adding in my corn, red onions, avocado, lemon juice, and olive oil. I will have the ingredients in the description box down below, so check that out. Okay, now it's time to mix this salad together. I have added pepper and cilantro flakes. This salad was simple and easy and so delicious. Oh my God. But thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Until the next time, bye-bye.